Gary Lane, founder of Jetson Surf Technology USA. Welcome. I will demonstrate to you all the features of our electric-powered propulsion surfboard. All of our Jetson model prototypes have been operating without mechanical and electrical issues for over 7 years. Some Jetson parts have been broken while surfing and shipping on airlines and were installed and replaced very easily. We'll start with this Jetson 8-foot fun shape made with epoxy resin. On the top of the board, Jetson has a keypad with 4 speeds. 100% takeoff is for taking off on the wave. This setting reaches 4 to 6 miles an hour for 12 seconds, which allows you to catch the wave. The computer inside the motor box cuts the speed back to 75% for another 100 seconds and then shuts it off. 75% is the impact zone. This is for punching through the impact zone to paddle out again to the takeoff spot on rough days. This setting reaches 3 to 4 miles an hour and shuts off after 100 seconds. The 50% paddle out mode is for maintaining position where there is brutal drift on big wave days or strong currents along the shoreline. This setting reaches 2 to 3 miles an hour and shuts off after 100 seconds and is used on glassy wave days to paddle out. The 25% eco mode is used to conserve battery power when possible. This setting reaches 1 to 2 miles an hour and shuts off after 100 seconds. The battery icon at the bottom right gives you the status of the battery power remaining for your Jetson surf session. Under normal use with your paddling, the battery will last 90 minutes of wave riding. The green light indicates a full battery pack for approximately a 90-minute surf session. The yellow light tells you that you have one more wave to paddle in with next wave ride, or the red light will stop the motor. The red light shuts off your Jetson propulsion system. The propeller icon at the middle at the bottom of the keypad will show red if seaweed or kelp wraps around your propeller. The temperature icon would only appear in red if the motor and computer overheat, which has never occurred to date. As we flip the Jetson surfboard over to the fin side, the quad fins on this Jetson model has a standard FCS1 quad fin configuration that is interchangeable. The new models you are buying will use the standard FCS2 fin boxes for quad fin setup in the tail. The water intake allows the water to flow through the intake to the propeller to create water jet propulsion for all Jetson surfboard models. The motor box contains an electric motor and a computer that is the brain of all the Jetson surfboard models. The battery box and cover is an aluminum alloy that contains an O-ring that blocks all water from penetrating the compartment where the lithium battery pack is stored and connected to the motor box. The battery box, lithium battery, and motor box add approximately 8 pounds to the weight of all Jetson surfboard models. The lithium battery pack is connected to the battery box blue plug that activates the motor, emitting 1 beep at the end of the beep cycle. The battery charger. The battery charger is used like a cell phone or laptop charger. Jetson surfboards carry a limited warranty, 1 year mechanical and electrical. Close the motor box, stainless steel screws. We're going to go ahead and close it up, and I'm going to turn it over to show you the different keypad with the light on. After your Jetson arrives for you to surf with it, you can now catch more waves than ever before. Happy surfing, Jetson Surf Technology.